Oh shoot, somebody coming. Ah! What's up, world? I am Chosen. Chosen is me. On today's episode, we have a game called Dark Deception. Now, this game may be old to y'all, but it's very new to me. I have no idea what to expect. I'm excited because my last gameplays were recommendations, and they were great recommendations, like jump scare great. So I'm excited. I'm ready to get this junk going. So grab you some popcorn, grab you some candy, and grab you some H2O, and let's go. It is done. Now my faith lies in darkness. Beers.
Oh, another one. How nice to have some company again.
Oh, she lonely.
Come over here. Let's have a look at you.
Check me out, check me out.
You disappoint me, love. You really do. So many fears. So many desires. I thought you'd be bigger.
Well, sheesh. She a little harsh, ain't she?
Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul. Ha! But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg.
I guess so.
You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now. Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you. And I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
Oh, there you go. Bierce's
The
Ballroom.
pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals. Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Okay. I mean, the details in this game is pretty nice. Just get into it.
Clock's ticking.
All right. Monkey business.
Bring back any memories?
I mean, this game, the graphics is pretty nice. Oh, this, you know what? This is on that Unreal Engine. So yeah, it's holding up its expectation. I mean, it's standards, I guess, or what my expectations of it is. That kind of made my heart race a little bit. Uh-oh. I don't even know, y'all, how this game is supposed to be played. I really didn't even look into it. I just got recommended this game. And it's already starting off crazy. For sure, for sure. I miss it.
Going up?
Just saw your twin in the game. Come on, look at this face. Some nice elevator music.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal? Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze. Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours. One more thing.
Excuse me.
You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you. Here, you'll need this. It can detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl, just not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Can you still hear my keyboard real loud? It ain't as close. Oh, somebody's stuck in there. Go this way. I feel like, you know, they expect you to go this way because it's, you know, just there. Oh shoot, somebody coming. Ah! I don't think it's gonna show the people though. Not bad. All right. What the heck?
Dead already? That's okay.
The monkey didn't even pop up on the map. How are you supposed to know where the monkey at? Okay. Yeah, that's crazy. So I just started running. All right. Oh, it's behind me. Go, 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 go. Oh. Go, 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 go. Oh, oh. Ah!
You are dead.
What the world? Alright, let's try this again. Oh, wait a minute. It's controller. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's over with now. I ain't know this junk. You can play it on the controller. Alright. Now I can get a little more comfortable. Right, check me out. All right, let's get into it. So now I can put that out the way. Should give me a little better.
Now listen closely. See those floating?
Oh, but that's the other question. How? Space bar. Circle. Alright. Ah, okay. Oh, I'm back in the room. Ah, go, 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 go. Oh, it's another monkey. Oh, I'm back in this freaking room. All right, go, 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 go.
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
You can make 120 turns using the middle icon. What the heck? Collect all shards to break the ring. Yeah, that's crazy. You can't go through none of these doors. I need to stay away from the middle room because that jump be confusing me, honestly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was coming that way. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, I knew you right there. Ooh, ooh, go, 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 go. I don't know where they come from. They be happening too fast to figure that part out. And it's two of them. Like, what the heck? Ah!
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
What the heck? That scared me. Alright. How many shards do I need to collect? Oh, I gotta collect 200 more shards. Alright, there go one monkey. Ah! Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Alright, alright. We're going in circles right now. I'm gonna go back this way. Go that way, go that way, go that way. Yo, this monkey is fast. Oh, that way. This way, this way, this way. Go, go, go. Alright, gang, don't mess around. Let me beat this thing. I think I'm gonna run into him. What the heck?
You are done.
Alright, y'all, I don't even care about the S rank. We just gonna, I'm saying though, like, too quick. Yeah, the last checkpoint, cause like I'm just not gonna get S rank. I might have to, do a rerun of this. Yeah, I ain't even been on this side. Alright, that back the other way. Oh, it's nowhere to go. It's nowhere to go. I was trying to make it to that little cut, She is crazy. Let me see her sit right here and outrun these monkeys. And it's not just one monkey, it's two monkeys. It might be even three monkeys. I just ain't making that far. Oh, not that way. Oh, I hear it. It's real close. It's real close. Yo, I did not even see.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
Bro, the stun orb. Is there stuff I can do? Can you help me? Collect all shards. And do I have to collect all the shards, or is it 123 left? Yo, he is on me. And I am holding down this freaking button to run faster. Oh, I know he's right there. Oh, what the heck? Break their ankles. You can't. There's not even enough room space to go nowhere. Last checkpoint. I'm gonna just have to keep it going. I'm gonna go this way. All right. Which way you going? Which way you coming from? Okay. I think both of them behind me right now. I'm not even gonna go that way because I'm gonna trap myself. Yo, they are maneuvering like. Oh dang! I should have kept going. Turn that way. We getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere. I gotta find the rest of these shards. Okay, what's that? Let me try to go that way. Maybe. Oh, what's this? Enemies reveal. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, it's 3. Oh, it is 3. Oh, no. Yo, this game is really hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Those soul shards aren't going to gather themselves.
I know, girl. I know. I'm looking. Yo, and they be stomping loud. I wonder how long have I had this where I can see that where they at, because it makes it a lot easier. Okay, check me out. Oh, it disappeared. One. Let's go. We got this. I got this. Let's go.
The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy.
What's going on? Oh, I gotta make it back.
Mr. Monkey finds
Yo. And they going crazy right now. Enemies stunned. Where I got it? What on? Get back to the altar. Oh, it's right here. Oh. Bro.
by Monkey.
I was right there.
You've gathered all of the soul
All right.
shards. The ring piece is now
back that way.
exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy.
Oh, he sounds like he fast too. Oh, it's another one. Oh my gosh. Do I need to like circle back around? Go. Oh my gosh. Just when you think you got it. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. It's a monkey.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy.
Alright, so I gotta get their attention, right? Oh, go. Oh, I thought I had it. Take a little shortcut. Oh, go. I saw him. I just tried to, you know, go down that hallway. I'm gonna have to do last checkpoint because yo, and all this noise does not help. It sounds like they are everywhere. All right, Mr. Monkey. All right, you got. Oh, they is getting it. Like, oh, can I go in there? Oh, I could go in there. Oh shoot. Can I close the door if I go in the room? Oh, he right there. Alright. Oh, maybe I can make it. Go. Am I good?
Who dares? Shoot, he knows you're here now. Get to the portal. Hurry.
I'm chosen. That's why I have that name. Cause I'm him. Alright, let me get out of here. Oh, let me get out of here. Go. Let me get out of here. He was finna get me. I wonder what was in the room. Should have went into that room. I was panicking. Yeah, I was. Oh, go. Where am I supposed to go?
There's no escape for you.
I don't even want to turn around. Let's go. We get inside that portal. You escaped. I knew I was going to escape. Time. 4 minutes. Yeah, that's S rank material. Got all the soul shards. I mean, I didn't have a choice, right? Bonus shards. Oh, I did get that big one, which did something. Secrets. Live loss. Yeah, multiple lives lost. Shard streak. And yeah, the secrets was in the room, so I didn't make it in the room. But now I know it's some secret rooms. Okay. That was fun. All right, here she go. My biggest critic.
Good. You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
She knew what she was doing.
Veers, still so persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences.
Right. They obviously are not messing with each other.
This is your
and I know she uses me because she has a very weird way of
suffer.
My bad.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here.
Alright.
The ring piece. Place it on the table, now! It's been so long.
I gave it to her.
The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An ironic name, don't you think? A demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met. Malak.
That she does. Her forehead is a 5. She's kind of cute though. She look
Complete
cute.
the ring, and you can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes.
Okay. My darkest desires. Yo, put a comment below what your darkest desires are. If you have any.
More pieces to go.
I don't think I really have
Are
any
you
dark
ready
desires.
for
I'm not
another nightmare?
about that life. I am not ready for another round. But there's so many different rounds that I gotta do. Okay, we got a different enemy this time. That was the monkey. Now it's crazy chick. Oof, she looked creepy. To be continued in chapter 2. Alright people, as you can see, it's not my call, it's the game. In order for me to get part 2, I have to purchase it. In order for me to purchase it, I gotta get my monies up. In order for me to get my monies up, I gotta get my views up. I gotta get my likes up, my comments, my subscriptions, everything. So please share. Share with your mama, your daddy, your grandma, your granddaddy, your sister, your brother. I mean, you name it. Let's level up. Let's get these views up. With that being said, Chosen out. Peace.
Design the music. Contemplate.
What you could
Everything I spit is hot like 100 degrees. I've been grinding nonstop.